Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor. We have a class coming up in conjunction with First Source Title, and this is going to be Get on the First Page of Google in Days. Join us on October 11th. We're going to start the class at 1 o'clock. It's going to be from 1 to 3 at Kelly's Craft Tavern, and this does include lunch. So you definitely want to attend this session. You're going to get fed knowledge and food. Can't beat it. So in this 2-hour-long CE course, I'm going to show you how to get on the first page of Google in days. This technique, we've had somebody do it on a Wednesday, and they were on the first page of their desired search on Google by Friday. You do not want to miss this. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet. This is going to be a hands-on workshop. We're going to show you how to go in and set this up right there in the class. So if you want to get to the first page of Google, dominate SEO, search engine optimization, then I will see you guys on October 11th from 1 to 3 at Kelly's Craft Tavern. Cost on this is only $20. Do not miss it. Thanks.